We all lead really busy lives, and it can be tempting to buy a takeaway or pop a processed meal in the microwave. But if you want to stay healthy, it is best to cook food fresh, and even better to use organic foods. The question now is, what can you prepare that is organic, healthy, and is ready to eat quickly? Cook in batches. One way to make sure you have something ready is to batch cook. Why not spend a few hours making all your favorite meals, separate them out into portions, and freeze them? A great go-to in the freezer is an organic basic ragu sauce. Follow this basic recipe and multiply the quantities as you wish. 2 400-gram tins chopped tomatoes, organic. 2 sticks celery, chopped. 2 carrots, peeled and diced. 2 onions, peeled and finely chopped. 100 grams organic brown mushrooms, finely sliced. 1 clove, finely grated garlic. 1 bay leaf. A handful of basil leaves, preferable but not essential, or you can add dried basil. 1 glass of water. 2 tablespoons of organic tomato puree. 30 milliliters extra virgin olive oil. Himalayan salt and black pepper, few grinds of each as seasoning. 250 grams organic grass-fed minced beef or lamb. Step 1. Fry celery, mushrooms, carrots, garlic, and onions in olive oil. If using beef, lamb, or turkey, include the meat at this stage. Step number 2. When the vegetables are soft and the meat browned, add the tinned tomatoes, herbs, tomato puree, water, and seasoning. If using corn mince, it can be added at this stage. Step 3. Stir ingredients together and then leave to cook gently. This takes about half an hour. Remember to stir now and then to avoid it sticking. Step 4. Remove bay leaf before freezing. Cook organic wholemeal pasta or spaghetti for bolognese. Top with cooked and mashed organic potatoes for cottage pie, beef, or shepherd's pie, lamb. So there you have it, a quick dinner idea. For more ideas, be sure to check out the link in the description. See you next time. Having lunch keeps you going through the afternoon and stops that afternoon slump. Many of us just grab a sandwich, but there are many other choices to mix it up a bit. Using organic foods also means that there are no chemicals in your food. Chemicals that can affect your mood and energy, which means you double up on the benefit of eating a healthy lunch if it is organic. Salad. If the weather is cold, you might not feel like a salad. Organic varieties of salad vegetables are also widely available at most supermarkets. Make sure they are all organic. Better still, salad ingredients such as tomatoes, peppers, and salad leaves are really easy to grow at home. Try making your salad with some or even all of these ingredients. Remember, eating a variety of colors means you are getting a bigger selection of healthy vitamins and minerals. Soup. On those cold days when salad just won't cut it, why not try soup? You can make almost anything into soup. Have you got a few organic vegetables in the fridge that you haven't used up? Peel and chop them. Gently fry a chopped onion with a tablespoon of organic olive or coconut oil. Add chopped vegetables and 1/2 pint of vegetable stock, made with a stock cube. Simmer until all the vegetables are soft. Cool slightly and blend in a food processor. Voila! Pasta. Pasta makes a filling lunch and can be served hot or cold. Organic wholemeal pasta is the healthiest option. Cook the pasta in boiling water. If eating cold, it is delicious with organic mayonnaise and flakes of cooked, line-caught fish and prawns. If you prefer it hot, add organic pesto or a delicious tomato sauce made from homegrown tomatoes. Add free-range organic cooked chicken and oven-roasted vegetables for a tasty filling meal. There are literally thousands of recipes you can prepare for lunch, so you should never get bored. Just make sure the food you are buying is fresh, organic, and sustainable. That way, it's better for you and better for the planet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links in the description for more videos and tips.